What's up guys, CMod here, back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to turn your Sony ZV-E10 into a webcam that can be used for live streaming, video calls, and more. So things needed for this to work is a USB-C to USB-C cord or USB to USB-C cord, OBS, and of course the Sony ZV-E10. First, turn on the camera. Next, go over here and look for the menu button. Click on it, and of course you want to make sure you are on Movie 1 on the first page. Now what you want to do is click on USB streaming. Once you're in this mode, it should pop up saying connect a USB cable. Plug the cable into the PC. So once the side of the camera is open, make sure you plug the USB-C into the USB-C port. So once the USB is plugged in, it should say USB streaming output. Alright guys, so I got the OBS screen set up right here. Press add and create a new scene. I'm going to call it the Sony ZV-E10 webcam test. Now you need to add your sources. Go to video capture device. Now once you get in here, I'm going to call this the Sony ZV-E10. Alright guys, so as you can see at the moment, we are currently using my integrated webcam on my laptop, but that's about to change as we're about to switch over to the Sony ZV-E10. Double click here and look for ZV-E10. If you see it on here, click on it and voila! As you can see, we are now connected to the Sony ZV-E10. Now this is however limited to 720p and only 30 frames per second due to it being a USB stream here. But if you buy the Elgato Cam Link, you are able to get up to 1080p 60 frames, or of course 4K if you wanted to. But again, this looks pretty good for what it is, and I'd say it would be very usable for live streaming and of course making YouTube videos. That being said though, hopefully this video helped you out guys. If it did, make sure to smash the like button and let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, notifications on, that way you don't miss any videos. Also check out my second YouTube channel if you want to see some more content. That being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!